Hi guys, Valentine's week is going on and I'm going to make a very simple and easy card today for Valentine's and for your loved ones. I am taking acrylic colors here. The first one is crimson red and second is white acrylic color. Then I've taken a brush. For a quicker method, I'm taking a foam. You can find this at your home easily and I'm taking white and red color in my palette. Note the quantity of the white and red color. Start mixing them and then to add a peachy tone, you can add a tint of yellow color as well. Once you're happy with the peachy pink color of your choice, then you can start with the filling up of your card. Take the foam, dip it in the color that you just made and fill up the entire sheet. We will use this as a textured background of our card. For the next step, I am taking some of the red color in the palette separately. Now after the background is dried up, dip a q-tip in the red color that you just took out and start making a heart with the q-tip. It is a very easy method and you can do it in minutes. Note how I am placing the q-tips at an angular distance and then start filling up the entire sheet with this. You can make any sort of design with this heart. You can place it at the borders only, or you can fill up the entire sheet leaving the center area for some content that you'd like to write there. As you see, in the effort of making very quick hearts, I even made some birds and some weird flower shapes. But anyway, you can do it slower if you want perfect red hearts, but I just wanted to make it quicker. Then I'm taking some black paint and a angular brush. Since I gave myself a challenge to complete the card within 5 minutes, so I'm doing it very quickly, and yes, I do know that it is very imperfect, but we have to do it in a quicker time. This is the card that you have to make when you only have 5 minutes. I used q-tip, I used foam, I used everything that was available to me to make it very quick. It is not that beautiful or perfect, but I think it is still a perfect gift because your efforts count. And this is for beginners who want to make a card and only have like limited time. It still looks very beautiful and looks amazing. See ya.